Hey, Sergeant Locksmith here. All right, we're going to change the battery here on our 4-button smart key remote. So let's get started. If your key ring is attached, great, even better. Emergency blade right here, push it down, and you notice it comes off. Your key ring will go with it. And when you turn the remote sideways, you'll notice you have this indentation in here. That is where you want to put your flat tip screwdriver. Just go ahead and put it in there and twist it, and you notice how it just pops up. Go and put your fingernail under there and just pull the two halves apart. And if it doesn't want to pull apart, hey, don't worry, put a flat tip in there and just push it in gently, and there you go. And you notice just by doing that, the battery popped up. This is your CR2450. This is a new remote, so we're going to re-put the battery back in. You put it in that side first, and you notice it wants to pop up a little. Don't worry, that's what this bad boy here is going to be for. It's going to hold it in there. So let's go and put it back together. Battery's still sitting there. Put your top in, and when you push the two halves together, there you go. Put your emergency key blade back in, and you've just changed your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you found any help with this video, and go ahead and send us an email if there's anything you'd like to see or questions you may have. We might be able to do a video for you. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.